All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday prepositions. So as well as, and, including, to. I know English as well as Spanish. I have been to France as well as Spain, and Russia, and Germany. Yeah. They will go there as well as come here. I have towels as well as candles. Yeah. I have been to Scotland as well as Wales. I will go to Snowdonia as well as Scafell Pike. Scafell Pike? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I went to Edinburgh as well as Glasgow. Yeah, I saw him as well as her. She spoke to them as well as me. He is learning Spanish as well as Arabic. They went with me as well as them. So they went with me as well as them to different places. Yeah. How cool is that? So it works as well as it is cheap. It's cheap and it works. How cool is that? Yeah. So I'm learning Spanish as well as Arabic. Yes. So I think it is a good idea to know more than one language. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When will they go to Wales as well as England? Yeah. When will I go? When should I go to Mexico as well as, say, El Salvador? When should I go to Mexico as well as El Salvador? When? A spot for choice. Yeah. As well as. To, including. Yeah. We made some food as well as dessert. I'm recording some videos as well as working on my business. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yes, as well as, to, include. So, can you use as well as in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.